Yes, it's making like divergence with this 4 hour या daily fair वाले gap जो previous sorry daily fair वाले gap था. I want it tries to be traded here कर चुका इधर से if it gives a bearish drive good. But yeah, it's a good reaction area for like sells. उसके साथ यहाँ पे SMT भी है. We want to like 4 hour ये equalize बना था. Yesterday I wanted to target here. यहाँ पे मेरा break unit हुआ इसके बाद पूरा यहाँ तक गया. To these relative equal highs यहाँ पे भी था relative equal highs with Asia high. तो यहाँ से भी SMT है. If it wants to push lower, it has already pushed till this hourly का 4 hour का gap. Yeah, it took out that low. अब यहाँ से it depends on if this holds, I'll try to continue this buy में what do you call buy model till here या तो इसका fill तक नहीं तो if this gap gets respected यहाँ से यहाँ तक आराम से आना चाहिए. Let me remove this. We'll keep this low as sell side. So आर्ली पे यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा 4 hour पे देखना पड़ेगा. आर्ली there's nothing much तो के लिए बट अगर कंटिन्यूशन लूँगा तो यहाँ तक नहीं तो शॉर्ट्स आने पे वी हैव टू सी. शॉर्ट्स के लिए अच्छा टारगेट नहीं है ऑनेस्ट दस आर्ली का ये है. उसके अलावा इसका फिल एंड ये ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं इसका. वी हैव लंडन लूज हियर. ओके मार्केट्स ओपनिंग इसने लंदन लो ले चुका. एशिया वेल देखेंगे कि ये एसएमटी होल्ड करके पुश करेगा. I'm overall bearish though, to be very honest. हाँ bearish बोलने पे 100 पॉइंट मूव आएगा. देखना पड़ेगा लाइक स्टार्टिंग जब भी कैंडल ओपन होता है दिस यूजुअली इज अ मैनिपुलेशन क्योंकि ऊपर मैनिपुलेट नहीं किया एंड there's नो टॉप विक हियर जो प्री मार्केट आई था. yep there's नो टॉप विक हियर. ओके हेलो हेलो हेलो. it tapped this hourly gap अगर if it wants to continue this buy model from year to year this should get respected and pushed to the side. We are stuck in this range वही प्रॉब्लम है. Can easily come fill all these gaps. अगर ये कंटिन्यूशन देगा तो we have this unfilled 1 hour का हाई है जो डिस्काउंट में आता है. Probably this is the manipulation. अरे ऊपर पुश करेगा there's a 30 second gap एक्चुअली दो है, इट हैज टू कम समवेयर हियर। अगर यहाँ से नोट करेगा तो यहाँ तक कुछ कर सकता है। विल सी कैसे जाएगा, इट इज ट्राइंग टू रिजेक्ट। अभी के लिए तो कुछ नहीं है। Yep, it's rejecting this last wave वालेगा। Oh, damn. यही मैनिपुलेशन है। कैन जस्ट इफ इट क्लोजेस अबव हियर, कहीं तो जाना चाहिए एक डायरेक्शन। इसके ऊपर क्लोज करेगा तो वी हैव दीज आइज। The thing is that it's like hourly and all, it's kind of bullish here। अगर ये रेस्पेक्ट करेगा सो वी काइंड ऑफ इन्वर्टेड दीज गैप्स राइट हियर। यहाँ पे कहा था, यहाँ पे है लाइक 30 मिनट also गैप इन्वर्ट किया है। It's making that buy model till this side, but this has already taken out। यहाँ पे डेली फेयर वाले यहाँ पे ये इसने टैप किया and then trying to push lower। दस होल्ड्स अगर रेंज में ही फंस जाएगा। आई वांटेड टू ब्रेक एंड गो टिल हियर या इस लो तक। ओके, आई फील लाइक अगर सी एच डी रहता तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड शॉट बेस्ड ऑन दिस सी एच डी। क्यों एस एम टी ना, लेट्स टफ, क्योंकि रिलेटिव कल हैज बन गया। सेट। ना 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 ना, एस आई को ले लिया सो वी काइंड ऑफ हैव एस एम टी है। अगर ये पूरा होल्ड करेगा तो पुश करेगा। हार्ड टू बीट। was an unfit 15। देखेंगे यहाँ से कुछ शॉट्स मिलता है क्या। How's my day going? It's not going only, it's very slow। It's fine। Yeah, that's what. It's between two point of interest, so I'm getting this kind of price action। But it's better keep bearish this gap if the CISD holds। क्योंकि यहाँ पे टॉपिक नहीं था, it dead। बट यहाँ पे अनफिल्ड 15 है, सो नॉट पर्सनल फेवरेट. लेट इट ब्रेक आउट ऑफ दिस रेंज. बट टारगेट वाइज एशिया लो ही अच्छा है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं है. या दिस इंटरमीडिएट लो है as well. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक सो यहाँ तक जाएगा. आई फील लाइक दिस विक इज गोना रिजेक्ट अगेन. ये अभी पूरा बाय मॉडल नहीं है. अदरवाइज आई हैव टू वेट फॉर दिस कैंडल क्लोजर. अगर इसे होल्ड करेगा तो आई ट्राई लुकिंग फॉर लॉन्ग्स. अगर इसके नीचे क्लोज करेगा तो आई कैन टेक शॉट्स. Lol, such a random move. Oh, oh, bro, this candle is bigger than news. कुछ news आया क्या? There's no way it's gonna deliver this high. Nah, 80 point moves. कुछ news आया होगा. What is this candle? I'll start making moves now, I guess. Volatility suddenly increased. What are the two POI? One is just right here. There's a hourly gap and a 4 hour gap. A 4 hour का bullish gap है. यहाँ पे 4 hour का bearish gap है. So we are in between these two gaps. If you think this is not in POI, if you take ES, ES already is trading in this gap. So यहाँ पे इससे reject कर रहा है और इससे support ले रहा है. So it's stuck between this bullish gap and this bearish gap. Nope, not taking any trades if it's like this. It's proper range, man. This can be something. There's accumulation. There's a manipulation. अगर ये distribute करेगा तो it should go till this 15 minute gap. Let's wait for like 10-15 मिनट और. अगर ये 15 मिनट कैंडल बताएगा कहाँ जाना चाहता है. क्लोज इन 4 minutes, राइट. अगर ये थोड़ा बहुत बुलिश क्लोज देगा तो वी कैन कंसिडर दिस लंडन स्वीप एंड वी कैन ट्राई टारगेटिंग 15 मिनट गैप. अगर बॉडी क्लोजर इसके नीचे होगा तो प्रॉब्ली विल गो टिल हियर एटलीस्ट दिस इंटरमीडिएट लो. जब तक ये गैप है आई एम वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल टेकिंग एनी शॉट्स. क्योंकि इफ आई टेक शॉट्स राइट हियर मेरा स्टॉप लॉस गैप के ऊपर होगा. सो दैट्स नॉट सफिशिएंट. इसको टैप करने दो फिर शॉट्स. Oh my god, damn. Nice. So yeah, there's accumulation, manipulate, AMD setup. Any payouts taken? Yeah, it's on the way. It's literally on the way. I have to request Apex car. I need 3 more days of like $50 plus and I can request. Already have buffer. Guy, it's better to avoid this whole price action. Okay, tapping that 15-minute gap. Now I can kind of try looking for shorts. I had in funding tips. That's where it started. I have in Blueberry also. It's been so long since I traded CFD. CFD छोड़ के कितना around almost 1 year. या इन मई को 1 साल हो गया होगा CFD छोड़ के. अगर ये गैप के ऊपर क्लोज करेगा 30 सेकेंड कम ऑन, क्या होगा इधर ही पता चलेगा. फिर क्लोजेस अब लॉन्ग्स चांसेस है. Ooh, what is happening? I thought it rejected from the Swick cover body almost. Okay. Why there's no inversion? There's no inversion. There's a 30 second right here. Yeah, there's a 30 second right here. I'm just experimenting, not taking this. बहुत गंदा है. ना better. फेल होता. But the way this 15-minute rejected, something wrong. Tap this 5 minute also. Oh, यहाँ पे 15 के ऊपर close किया. Yes. So yes actually wants to go till this side. We'll see if it really wants to go this side क्योंकि it trade into this true day open. से रिजेक्ट किया. और in 1% no chill out होता. Don't care about 1% 2% drawdown. I think max loss limit is what 8% या कुछ. Take 0.5% risk and trade. That's it. Anything right here. Anything. Okay. Again, SMT right here on that 15-minute का gap. We do have this 1 minute inversion which I want to take. I'll try taking this for like a 1-to-1. फिर देता तो much is one. That's like mm, kind of risky. Not taking. I forgot that ये वाला जो है it closed up but it should work. इन्वर्ट क्यों नहीं किया? बहुत choppy है. Yes, did close below. This kind of A setup, not A plus, but yeah, kind of A, like ले सकते हैं वैसा type है. But stop has to be here, target has to be here. It's actually a good setup. NQ में नहीं है inversion, that's the only problem. I'll just keep it like this. See, कुछ होता है ये. This 5 minute should actually centralize lower. ये जो 5 minute का gap बना है. Not 5 minutes, sorry. 1 minute. Now I'll wait for like next 4 hour candle का open. उसके बाद ट्रेड करूंगा. बहुत ही गंदा प्राइस एक्शन है. अभी क्या करूँ? यहाँ से लॉन्ग्स लूंगा तो फंस जाऊंगा, यहाँ से शॉर्ट्स लूंगा तो भी फंस जाऊंगा. इट्स नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर. ऐसे टाइम में ही मेरा ज़्यादा लॉस होता है, सो जस्ट अवॉइडेबल. गोल्ड अब क्यों रैली कर रहा है? गोल्ड गोल्ड का शुरू हो गया फिर से. तो दस लो रेसेंट लिक्विडिटी यहाँ पे बाय मॉडल बन रहा है. Gold has all this trendline liquidity. That's why you can't even trade gold. Okay. यार उसको एक्चुअली में नीचे जाना था. It should have never inverted this candle. Okay. यही चाहिए था. If this inverts, I can try taking long till this high. क्योंकि this we can consider sweep. जो बोला था ना इसके बॉडी के ऊपर ही क्लोज करना चाहिए था. It's like proper sweep. अगर नीचे जाना था तो it would have closed somewhere here. 4 मिनट और and then target this side, this side, this side. अरे यार क्यों ऐसे जाता है हमेशा. Just wait. The ये long ये inversion है पर there's no fair value gap that supported this inversion, so this is useless. Invert किया फिर इधर गया. This could have been a break even, but ये वाला pattern trade हो जाता फिर. There's no meaning for it. और 2 मिनट. It took almost all the highs which I wanted to take. Outlier high, yeah. This is thing. Not a good high. Yep, it's not a good high, but ले रहा क्या ही कर सकता है. I still have this high right here. ये भी फेल होता. Okay, 15. 15 got inverted. 5. 5 का unfilled gap है इधर. Okay. Yes. Yes doesn't have any unfilled gap, but it has this trend line liquidity. जो low resistance liquidity है इधर पूरा इधर से इधर. So I can target all these highs. 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Uh, Retracement and then longs. भाग मत जाना. This is like my last high which I want to target. इसके ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं. And isn't that rejection block area यहाँ से proper reject कर सकता है. With this gap as a rejection entry. ये जो wick का bearish wick. Hopefully it doesn't hold. Did you take in guys? Nah, bro. Why would I take? Any trade I take is right here in my screen. PNL के साथ है. He's gonna open this 5 minute candle का ये फिर वाले gap. Top here again continuation same thing. ईएस टू कॉल दैट हाई, क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? दिस हाई आई वांटेड टू बी लाइक ऐसे छोड़ दे। I can try to enter shots now. But I took it with lower lots. Nice. कुछ नहीं है यहाँ से यहाँ तक। So I'll take all that high. Okay. Now this is inside this daily fair value gap. ES is also in that fair value gap. We have this. That's what sucks. After projection, I go. It's hard. Nah, no option to take shots. No, you have like यहाँ से यहाँ तक low resistance liquidity. कुछ अच्छा एंट्री नहीं है। फोर आवर का नया कैंडल 110 पॉइंट्स। कुछ नो बॉटम है। अच्छा पर यहाँ पे भी नहीं है। there's literally no bottom है। कर रहा। most of the time. Why does this feel like forever? There's another gap right here. यहाँ 15 मिनट का गैप ओपन होगा यहाँ पे 3 मिनट्स. Now it's like literally there's no volume ऐसा. So 5 minute tap and CISD. अगर ये पुश करेगा नाइस. तो या giving a 1 2 hour. Not entering though. देख रहा हूँ क्या होगा. Its price is like too premium. It's not a good place to like take longs from. जा सकता है but easily it can retrace off. चला गया ये. अगर इन्वर्जन मिलता तो लेता मैं. to be very honest. Break even right here at this side. No, double volume to like push higher. I think it's a break even. अगर flip करेगा तो ज़्यादा जाएगा. Yeah, it flipped. Such a bad day. Probably I'll call it a day. कुछ नहीं है. Tomorrow is FOMC minutes meeting. Yeah, it's not FOMC, but FOMC minute meetings. How is it going? It's good. With this at MDB with that book. I'm also having MDB. How can life be better? Are you in this long? Nah, I'm not in this long. If there was an inversion, I would have taken this long. Nahi mila inversion. The thing is that it gave us CHD with continuation. I just put an order to see how it goes. Nahi liya. Uh, yeah, that's the reason. One of the reason was it expanded too much, and but the thing is that continuation के लिए you don't have to see अगर continue हो रहा it is retracing at some gap you can actually take. It's better कि ऊपर retrace ना हो क्योंकि most of the cases retrace बहुत deep हो जाता है and targets नहीं hit होता. Ouch. The one trade which I don't I felt like taking this, but yeah, hard to avoid. Like for continuation, this is what I'll call it a day. Call my draw minute. Nasdaq is actually bad. ये इसका डेली फिल नहीं हुआ. Can't even see. Yep. Yeah, even I felt like it's better to let it go. Uh, to be very honest, I felt like this is like chasing the price. No trades today. I do have a Discord. I'm planning to shift from CF, futures from CFD. Any advice? Starting my accounts below करेगा, so it's better to go with Apex. Apex is having a discount, 90% off. Just try it out. 2 hours are able after 90% discount. Just try Apex once. You'll get to know how to use because starting is very confusing. So yeah. Go with Apex if possible. Yeah, to take any firm which is cheap and later try Lucid or something. Other than that, there's nothing. Go slow, that's it. We do have fill and an inversion, I guess. Yep. This is good one. Again, Ulta reverse trade. I probably nah, I would avoid this also. Fill here, but break even at the Sunfield one. I'll call it a day, guys. So yeah, how many POs? Three. Three. Yeah, it is three. I have taken less though, to be very honest. I should have started using क्या बोलूं. I take too much time clearing evals, to be very honest. I take time. Uh, this is not a good trade. It might work. ऐसा नहीं कि work नहीं करेगा. It might work, but it's a classic P setup ही नहीं है C. I don't think so कि इतना बड़ा expansion के बाद एक retrace तो आना चाहिए. And that retrace has to be at this daily fair वाले का fill. अगर यहाँ से नहीं होगा तो somewhere right here. 8. Uh, so this, yeah, it has to be somewhere here. -2 to 2.5 deviation. That's also true. So मेरा Apex का भी चल रहा था. Buffer is not my problem. My problem is yeah, trailing drawdown. It sucks, to be very honest, and I take too many break evens. Either I take like very few losses. Yeah, so many break evens. My break evens are more than my wins and loss combined. It's very bad for trailing drawdown Apex के लिए. कल ही कितना one trade went till 300 या $350. That hit break even. दूसरा trade goes till 350-ish, and I take partials. फिर partials के बाद फिर break even. It's technically that I lost $450 and made 150 or something. So even though I didn't lose the trade, so I hate that. Uh, sucks. So yeah, guys, no trades taken today, to be very honest. It gave a volume. We had this inversion, to be very honest. अब बता दूंगा क्या हुआ. Market opened, market pushed lower. I knew that this was a manipulation. कैसे पता चला? This was the London low, and if you want to like 15 or something, अगर तुम्हें पता चलना है कि it's manipulating or it's distributing, लंदन से जाके एशिया से जाएगा. It's based on wick. You see this body, जो wick का body है, it includes below, so you can consider this as a liquidity sweep of London. फिर continuation, and I did wanted to take longs, but ये जो 15 मिनट का कैंडल इनवर्स यहाँ तक हुआ, so there was no entry. 5 minute all bullish candles, no retracement except this. चले जाता है यहाँ तक, but yeah, it's not a good trade, to be very honest. यहाँ से it's better to take reversals instead of continuation after this rejection, क्योंकि कोई target नहीं है. So yeah, and if you took this 1 minute का inversion, it's pure pattern trade. You're never gonna be profitable with taking this because it's not reacting from anywhere. So होना चाहिए. It's यहाँ पे कुछ fair value gap या anything. This is not a kind of order block, but yeah, it's not a good one to take, to be very honest. This inversion would have been a pattern trade. This failing is like 8 on 10 times. एक दो बार चले जाता है. It's not yeah, we got this inversion. After that it's nothing. Uh, except this one inversion which is there. I think it's a 5 minute candle. Nah. 15. Nah, still risky. जब तक ये 15 क्लोज नहीं होगा it's risky. जब ये 15 क्लोज होगा and we get any inversions right here, that's better to take till here. It might work out. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं. Yeah. Yeah. But break even has to be quick. So if 15 close होगा, एक gap open होगा इधर. As soon as it taps that gap, break even. Because if you go on to like daily time frame, ये daily का fill है. This was the fair वाले का, which literally filled this. यहाँ से rejection बहुत होता है. So after we fill this key level, I don't think so ऊपर और जाना चाहिए. Gold funded trader. I trade futures, not CFD. So NAS 100 is out of option. TradeWord is 10,000 times better than gold funded trader, to be very honest. ROI utna. I spent how much? $20 and yeah, 75 and funded 75, 85, 95, around $95. मतलब 8,000 ले लो. Somewhere close to 8,000, and if I invest 8,000 I can pull out at least 2 lakhs. ROI is just too much. Look at this. Relative equal lows, triple lows, triple equal lows. यहाँ पे ब्रीच किया बट yeah, it should reject at this level 7 9 or 7. या तो इस हाई को लेके. Yeah guys, I'll go. Take care. Bye bye. No trades taken. 1 घंटा चुप से बैठा. So yeah. Stay safe. Bye bye. And if you want to like convert from CFD to futures, just go for Apex. क्योंकि ना it's just 2,000 rupees like with 90% off, and you can blow n number of EVAs to clear. 5 blow कर दोगे एक पास होगा खत्म. Try taking it till payout. GG. Took long at the opening. There was no long at the opening. But break even दे दिया. Okay, fine. यहाँ से ना this whole day will be like this. PM will open. Yes, yes, yes.